What's going on, YouTube? I just got another little informal unboxing here for you. I ordered some stuff off of Amazon, and I figured let's give it a shot at unboxing. So I took the top off just to make this a little bit easier for us. So first and foremost, I got the Nintendo Switch Orsley glass screen protector. This is a 2-pack because on the side of the side of the dock, it's got those two holders that kind of scratch the screen. And then next, I got the Dayturu carry case for Nintendo Switch. It's got all sorts of features, but we'll break into that, and we'll take a look at it before we read. So, starting off, I don't know if this is the front or the back. Maybe it's the back. It's got these two bumps. I don't exactly know what they're for. Maybe they're for like a kick, like to hold it up. I don't know. Nothing on the other side. Oh shoot, okay. So, silica gel, save that for later. Makes a great snack. Hi there, thanks for choosing Dayturu. Looks like they're a small husband and wife team. Good for them. Wish them the best. Alright, but here is the money. So, just from opening it up, it seems we've got plenty of space for games and just stuff. All these can probably fit. Probably a fairly decent amount of games, but I'll do that with two hands. It's got a huge compartment in there. I don't know if you can really see, but I'd say it's probably 2.5 times as thick as the actual Switch itself, maybe even 3. It's probably what gives the case most of its bulk. Got Velcro to hold this in, and then it looks like this is where the Switch goes, so let's bust it in there. Okay, so it looks like we were right. The it's a bit of a tight squeeze, but the kickstand, which are, at least I thought they were kickstands on the back, fit into the grooves made by the ZLZR. There's a piece of Velcro here that holds the Switch in place so it does not fall. I'm determined to get this in. Let's do it. So putting games in is a two-handed ordeal. Got some of these games from the library that I go to quite often. So yeah, oh actually it's so much easier on the top. There we go, we'll try it out each case, I think, or each row. This row is probably my favorite, simply because it's just the easiest one to get into. I'll take these out for now, but another thing I've noticed is, although it's protected with Velcro, the Switch also has this little thing over here, this little pull tab, and I guess it's designed for when you pull it, pull the Switch out and into your hands. I don't think I'm going to put the screen protector on camera, but I think you'll just have to take my word for it. So far I have to say I'm pretty impressed with this Dayturu Switch case. If you're looking for a case, from what I've seen on Amazon, none of them really have this kind of like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. This is a pretty solid Switch case. It's got quite a few spaces for games and stuff. The storage compartment at the top over here has more than enough room for your grip, as well as your two straps, as well as like a bunch of other stuff that I don't own, but I don't know what kind of Switch accessories you guys would have. As well as that, the screen protector, moving on now, the Orsley screen protector. I don't know if you guys can notice it. The only way I've been able to really tell it's on is just seeing this little notch cut out for, I don't know, the brightness camera, I think that is. But it's solid, there's no scratches. I think I made a mistake with an air bubble right over here, but it's so small you can't notice it, as well as a little bit down in the corner. But for the most part, I'm really impressed with this Orsley screen protector. Doesn't smudge, like you'd be able to see it with the camera. As well as that, since it's a harder glass than the plastic screen cover that's on the regular Switch, it doesn't scratch at all. Look, I'm using my nail right now. It's beautiful. And just to give you that extra bit of value, comes with two. Let's say you put it on crooked, you want to move it, or you drop your Mountain Dew or whatever, your phone on your Switch case, it should be fine. I think this cost me $11 Canadian, and I have no complaints with either or. Thank you for watching. If you ever need a Switch case or screen protector, the Derutu is actually how it's pronounced, case, as well as the Orsley screen protector, is recommend from me. Thank you very much for watching.